So here's the small restaurant for puppies. Wow. In front of Vikings. Huh? Oh, dito ako magdu-duty. Lilipat ako sa puppies. Wow. This is the bars area. It's supposed to be the bar area here, right?
Yep. Grab a bite to eat, grab a drink.
Yeah, because they said the opening is March 20.
March 20? Okay.
Yeah. So
coming up quick.
Yeah, in 2 weeks.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Exciting.
Let's go.
One of the best views around.
Hello, you guys. We are here in Bunny Burger, and Chad is playing Pooley. Team Mikos versus Bunny Burger, and I'm here to eat my lunch before I go to Puppies for work. Buttered shrimp. And I'm here with Ate Evelyn. So in my next day off, we will go to swim. Di ba yung sure muna yung probably Sunday.
Di ba ngayon?
Sunday.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
To Sunday, yeah. So they are waiting for my day off, and we will go swimming with Ate Jen, Jeff wife. Are you excited?
Not yet. I did not tell Ate Jen.
We decided.
I'm waiting your reply.
Okay. Okay, so I'll eat first, okay? Wala pa, hindi pa na ano eh. Isa pa. O, isahin mo pa. Ipas.
Thank you, ma'am.
Johnny! Sweetie! Dear Johnny! 4 na player pa lang sila. Sino pa yung maglalaro? This one? Si Andre.
A few inches later.
This is my uniform and this is my coworker Hazel. Hi Hazel! How long you been working here?
A month?
A month? 1 month?
2 months
In
March 18.
receptionist.
2 months.
And then 1 month as a waitress.
2 months in 2 months in March 18.
2 months. 2 months in March. Okay, so we get ready now because it's already 2:51. And this is Ate Rachel. Hi.
I'm the prettiest one here. Just me.
She's been working here for 10 months now. 10 months? 9 months. 9 months.
Boom, boom, boom. Sabi
She's our the most beautiful waitress here and bartender in Puppies. So come and visit us here, guys. Yes. Are you guys? I'm in video call with Ate Remy, and we are eating our dinner lunch.
Parehas.
Dinner lunch, yeah, same.
Hi.
We're in break time. I'm with Hazel. Hazel Ann, the other end, and this is Ate Remy. She's hiding. And we're eating liempo. Lechon liempo. Yeah, lechon liempo. Liempo. I'm almost done. Hello, Hazel.
Hi.
How old are you?
22.
22 only? Still young. How are you, Ate Remy?
I'm good. I'm 50.
You look stunning.
I'm tired. I'm ready. I'm gonna eat soon. We're gonna have a great dinner tonight.
Si Chad gusto niya nakalugay yung buhok ko.
Huh?
Si Chad, gusto niya nakalugay yung buhok ko. Good afternoon. I am here in Ate Jen's house and we are going to swim. Hello, Kuya. We're going to swim now. Ate Jen and Ate Evelyn. That's just the three of us. It's their house. So they are still cleaning the pool. Hi, Crypto. You going to swim too? Okay nga. Wow, aloe vera. Yeah, in province we have aloe vera too.
Kumukuha ko ng aloe vera dito. Sarap na yan pag fresh na.
True. Oh, tatanim ko. Guys, we are drinking soju. Strawberry flavor with our chips.
So, bali,
And we have cheeser. Coke.
so yung modified flavors na ito. Oo, may ano siya. Apple.
Hello everyone, we are going to see the clubhouse of Cephaville 2. And I'm with Ate Evelyn and Crypto. Let's see.
No? Here.
Oh. Okay. So here we are now. Daming tao nga.
Galing ito sa siyahaan.
Oh, sige, sige.
Mag-ano ka lang naman. Ha?
Okay. Clean naman, maganda. Yeah, it's fine. The pool is fine. Wow, there's a kiddie pool. I will bring my kids here when they arrive next month. And it's accredited to Ate Jen's house also. Because they live here. Hello everyone, I just want you to introduce our newest friend. This is Mary and Harry from Metro Manila. Saan sa Manila? Where in Manila? Malate. From Malate, Manila. And they just go here in Angeles for a vacation. Yep. Just for a vacation. And unfortunately, there are also our subscribers. Yeah. Harry and also my boyfriend Chubbs Stubbsy. Yeah. And guys, she have a YouTube channel too, which is Mary P. Mary P. And you can also view her YouTube channel and watch her videos. Yep. What's your videos all about?
It's mixed.
Same thing,
It's
daily life,
lives
adventure,
also.
sometimes
travel
traveling.
vlog.
Yeah, it depends.
And
If you're going somewhere, then it's traveling.
You're always traveling, right?
Yeah.
No, the thing is,
Mostly.
Yeah, but because of COVID, we were imprisoned, right, for 2 years, right? But after that, yes, we went to Bohol, we went to Baguio,
Yeah, Boracay.
Boracay, over
Palawan.
here three times over
Palawan
here.
also.
No,
So
Palawan we went
it's your 3 times here in Angeles.
Third time here since in 1 year, because I remember I was checking, it was March of last year we came
Yeah,
here first.
yes. Since yesterday.
Yesterday was our
yeah.
first year anniversary
1 year.
coming here.
Good. And in Tuesday, before they go back to Manila, we will go for a night swimming
Yeah, in our hotel pool.
in their hotel because they have pool also. And I love pool. I love
Supposed
swimming.
to be today, we'll do swimming, but then we came late also. And
Yeah, and I'm also tired from work because I finished my work at 12 midnight, so I woke up late already.
and we didn't walk.
And I already said yes to our friends to go
Yeah.
swim, which is Ate Chen and Ate Evelyn. So we're almost finished and we're going home later on. So thank you so much for visiting us.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
introducing us. And
Don't forget
Thanks,
to
Anne.
subscribe, guys. And
subscribe,
give
you
a thumbs
know,
up.
these two beautiful ladies here.
And hit the notification bell button.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. for watching.
And buy them coffee.
Magdilat ka ha? Game. 1. Tapos pa ilalim. Sa glasses?
Dito, maano ako yung ano, masakit
Ano rin? Sige.
Huwag ka lang titilan,
Yeah.
pero mag-pee.
Sige. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3. Dapat doon. Oo, ilagay mo daw sa kaliwa.
Pangit sa view.
Ito yung bahay ni Ate Len Douglas.
Doon mo lang
So
na.
nice. Beautiful. Ano ito mga mango to no?
Oo. Sige na ha, doon ka sa taas ng ano ba to? Maganda. Diving yan eh, diving. Yeah?
O sige.
Yes.
Hindi malalim.
Tumalim ka lang. Utog ka din kay ate. Dito ka.
Hindi, kasi pag maglangoy ka, lalayo na rin ako.
Matututo ka niya. Dahan-dahan ka lang.
Ikaw bahala.
Maganda kasi yung mataas. 1, 2, 3 yan.
Yung marunong?
Like yun.
Ha?
Marami kang magla-like. Pag ganun ka sexy. Paturo ka kay kuya. Kuya, di ba madali lang mag-dive?
Kala ko ba dyan?
Paano ba mag-dive?
Ayun, si kuya, magpaturo ka.
Dahil ganun, may easy lang. Yung easy lang para ano siya. Tumayo ka. Ang hirap naman kasi si kuya. Ano lang yung easy lang kuya? Ayan, tignan mo.
Parang iuna to. Yun pala yun.
Hindi naman ganun yun.
Parang hindi masakit sa dibdib.
Ganun na lang ako.